Kasuwa manje la garba.
Atom, show your face.
Hello there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to take you through a day cleaning with me, and these products I'm showing you in the beginning of the videos are the products I'm going to use in cleaning, and I usually use them daily. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay connected and watch till the end. So in the morning when I wake up, I do my morning prayer and get out of bed as slowly as I can. Then open the windows, draw the curtains to let light get in before I begin the cleaning. Turn the lights on, then do my bed. Since it's weekend, I usually change my bed sheets once every week. So let's get into it. After doing my bed, I will take my broom and sweep out all the dust and dirt in the room. Now that I am done cleaning the room and tidying up, I will directly go to the kitchen. That's the second place I clean in the morning. Today there were not much dirty plates, so it was quite fast and easy for me. So I did that and make sure every place I left behind was clean. Everything was clean. So after cleaning the kitchen, I am going to the living room where I need to tidy up everything, dust everything and clean. Now that I am done with the living room, I am going to the last part of the house, which is the toilets. What I first do is to take out everything that are in the toilet. To clean the toilet, I will need some gloves, some tissues, and a mask. So in the bucket, I will put the detergent and add some water. I need a mask because the mixture of the bleach and the cleaning detergent for the toilet has a pungent smell. So I'll start by putting bleach all over the bathroom, the toilet, everywhere. So in addition to this, I also have my brush that I use to clean the floor with, and I get into action, and I'll see you later. Now my toilets are clean and free of bacteria. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me. By the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. It really helps me, and thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.